Welcome to Foxtecc. Today I'll show you how to fix Google search if it's not working on your iPhone. This issue can be frustrating, but don't worry. We'll walk through several steps to get it resolved. Let's dive in and make sure your Google search is up and running smoothly again. First, let's check your Safari settings. Go to your iPhone settings, then scroll down and tap on Safari. Once you're in Safari settings, look for the option labeled Search Engine. Make sure Google is selected. If Google is already chosen, try selecting another search engine and then reselecting Google. While you're there, disable the search engine suggestions option. This can sometimes interfere with your searches and might be causing the issue. Next, let's ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. This will help determine if the issue is related to your internet connection. Sometimes a weak or unstable connection can prevent Google search from working properly. Test your search on both types of connections to see if there's any improvement. If the problem persists, it's a good idea to clear Safari's cache. Go to Settings, tap on Safari, and then select Clear History and Website Data. Confirm that you want to clear this data. This process removes any cached data that might be causing issues with your searches. Another step you can take is to reset your network settings. Go to Settings, then General, and scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. This will reset all your network settings, including Wi-Fi passwords, so make sure you have those handy. After resetting, restart your iPhone and check if Google search is working. If none of these steps resolve the issue, consider using a different browser. Download and install a browser like Chrome from the App Store. Open Chrome and try performing your Google searches there. Sometimes switching browsers can bypass issues specific to Safari. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Foxtecc. I hope these steps help you fix Google search on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Peace.